Welcome to this step-by-step guide on setting up your TP-Link Wi-Fi range extender. Let's get started. Start by plugging your TP-LinkExtender into a power outlet near your router. Wait until the power LED becomes stable. Once the LED light turns solid, your extender is powered on and ready to begin the setup process. On your phone or laptop, go to Wi-Fi settings and connect to the network named TPLinkExtender. Now open a browser and type tplink.repeater.net or 192.168.0.254 in the address bar to access the setup screen. You'll be asked to create an admin password. Make sure it's strong and easy for you to remember. Click Next. For help, call +1 214 997 8803. Like, share, and subscribe for more setup guides. Select your main Wi-Fi network from the list, enter your Wi-Fi password, and allow the extender to connect. The extender will now apply settings and reboot. A new network will appear with _XT at the end of its name. Place the extender about halfway between your router and the area with weak signal to ensure best performance. You're all set. For help, call our support line at +1 214 997 8803. Like and subscribe for more setup tutorials.